In today's class, we are going to discuss the concept of boats and stream. First case is of upstream. In the case of upstream, the boat is moving in the upward direction and the flow of water is in the downward direction. So overall, the flow of water is going to decrease the speed of the boat. So overall, the upstream speed is written as speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream. Second case is of downstream. In the case of downstream, the boat is coming downwards and the flow of water is also in the downward direction. So overall, the flow of water is going to increase the speed of the boat. In the case of downstream, we write the formula as speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. Using these two formulas, we have calculated the other two also. Speed of boat in still water is written as the upstream speed plus downstream speed divided by 2. And speed of stream is written as upstream speed minus downstream speed divided by 2. First question here is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of current. We know the formula for speed of boat in still water is addition of upstream and downstream speed divided by 2, and speed of current is difference in upstream and downstreams divided by 2. So first we need to calculate our upstream speed and downstream speed. Speed will be distance upon time. Here it is written, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So downstream speed will be 20 upon 2. That will be 10 km per hour. Next, upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So 4 upon 2. That is 2 km per hour. Next, put these values in the formula. Speed of boat will be upstream speed plus downstream speed upon 2. 10 plus 2, 12 upon 2 will be 6 km per hour. Next, speed of current. Speed of current will be difference of these speeds. Difference between the upstream and downstream speed is 10 minus 2 upon 2. That will be 4 km per hour. The question here is, a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the boat in still water and speed of stream. Let us suppose that speed of stream be u km per hour and speed of boat in still water be v km per hour. We know that upstream speed will be speed of boat in still water minus speed of stream, and in the case of downstream, the overall speed will be speed of boat in still water plus speed of stream. Now we are going to form the equation based on the concept that distance upon speed equals to time. Here a boat goes 30 km upstream. Distance here is 30 km and my upstream speed is v minus u. Next, 44 km downstream. Distance is 44 and downstream speed is v plus u. The time taken to cover this distance is 10 hours. So this is my equation 1. Second, in 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream. So it will be 40 upon upstream speed v minus u plus 55 km downstream, 55 upon v plus u, and the overall time is 13 hours. This is my equation 2. Now let us suppose 1 upon V minus U as P and 1 upon V plus U as Q. So I can write it as 30P plus 44Q equals to 10. Next here 40P plus 55Q equals to 30. I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. So multiply the first equation by 4 and multiply second equation by 3. On multiplying first equation by 4, I am going to get 120p plus 176q equals to 40. And on multiplying second equation by 3, we are going to get 120p plus 165q equals to 39. Elimination method, I am subtracting these both equations. So it will be 11q equals to 1. So here my value of q is 1 upon 11. Putting this value of q in equation 1, I am going to get 30p plus 44 multiply by 1 by 11 equals to 10. Okay, 30p equals to 10 minus 4. 30p equals to 6. P here will be 6 upon 30, that is 1 upon 5. Now again we have to substitute the value of P and Q here. I have supposed 1 upon V minus U as P and 1 upon V plus Q as Q. 1 upon V minus U equals to 1 upon 5. Cross multiply V minus U equals to 5. 1 upon V plus U equals to 1 upon 11. Cross multiplying it will be 1 plus U, V plus U equals to 11. Adding these both equations, 2V equals to 16. From here I am going to get V equals to 8 km per hour. Substitute this value of V in either of the equations. So putting this in equation 1, I am going to get 8 minus U equals to 5. So value of U will be 8 minus 5, that is 3 km per hour. So my speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour and speed of stream is 3 km per hour.